Just a quick video for you today. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to easily DCC fit the all-new Rapido Y7. The reason for this is there's a little bit of a mistake in the instructions that are shipping with it, and if you follow those you're going to find it very difficult to get inside without causing any damage. But you don't have to worry. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I'm going to be using a DCC Concepts Zen Blue Plus Next 18 decoder. And I've got two tools here, primarily the jeweler's crosshead type screwdriver, and then just for ease of use, this will come clear in a bit, I've got a flathead screwdriver as well. Now first up, we're looking to the underside. This is exactly as per the instructions. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws just there, and these are really quite easy to get out. In with the crosshead, make sure that you've got a nice positive fit. I actually magnetize my screwdriver a little bit, and that just helps to grab the screws. Now at this stage, if you try and remove the body, it feels stuck at the front, and you'll end up causing damage to the model if you try and force it. What you need to do now is undo this screw number 5, just up here behind the front coupling. Take that out, then the front coupling assembly just comes clear, and then what we're actually looking for, down here you'll see just a little clip, and this is what's holding the front of the body on. I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver to just gently push that back, and you'll feel it release and move up. The whole body then can easily be lifted clear. Inside we've got the circuit board, and this just pulls free, don't strain the wires. Blanking plate, take that off. Next 18 decoder, line that up, make sure it's seated right. And then this is a little bit of a tight fit, but we've got some white foam pads that do have some give to them. So carefully squash back against those white pads. And then when it comes to this wire tail, you can either cut it off, or there is enough room to squeeze this in. The plug slides just down on this side of the gear mechanism. Make sure that it doesn't foul the cardan shaft, and the wires will just fit into that groove. Take the body, and then make sure none of these wires get caught up where this screw will go in, otherwise it will chew through those wires and could cause problems. Just gently slide that down, make sure all is lined up, and then clip in that front clip, and then line up and slide in the rest of the body. Let's get the screws and just gently screw these in. Don't force them, don't need to over torque these, just until you feel resistance. And you may find as well, if the body sits ever so slightly high, you can squeeze it down, hold that pressure, tighten the screw, and then it holds it in place without running the risk of stripping the thread. Finally, refit the coupling at the front, and then its single screw goes in. And there you have it, fully DCC fitted, absolutely aggro free, and it's straight off to the track.